Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Matthew Bresky. I'm the founder of Centerpoint Meditation, and just want to kind of describe what that is in a nutshell. Is basically it's using your body to get into a meditative state by silencing the noise that happens from thinking and feeling. We have logic, we have intuition, and if we have too much logic or too much intuition, or we think too much or we feel too much, our bodies will go out of balance and it will collect tension in it. So what we've discovered is that you can move your body in a certain position and you dissipate the tension that builds up in the body from thinking too much or feeling too much. What we have recently discovered is that that technique is about balancing yourself in your energy field, and we've came up with a new concept called Centerpoint Energetics, and that is where you can literally manipulate the field around the body in order to create changes in it. So if you're watching this video, this is the beginning of a series of videos we're going to be sharing with the public on demonstrating the power of Centerpoint Energetics and Centerpoint Meditation together with clients that come into my office. So this is kind of our introduction to all these methods, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the videos, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.